Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn eBay promoted listings on and off. If you want to turn promoted listings on or off in eBay, start by logging into your account and opening your Seller Hub through the My eBay section. Once you're inside, head over to Listings and open your active listings so you can manage the items you're currently selling. Find a product you want to edit, click the drop down menu beside it, and you'll usually see options related to the promoted listings. From there, you can enable promotions to boost visibility or disable it if you'd rather not spend extra ad fees every time someone clicks your listing. You can also manage this globally through the promoted listings tool inside the Seller Hub under Selling Tools, where you can toggle promotional settings on or off more easily. It's useful if you're trying to boost slow moving products, although sometimes eBay makes it feel like every item needs advertising just exists. Once updated, your listing settings save automatically and you're good to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.